This application called Live Earth, and we'll be reviewing it and pretty much show you guys, is it really what it says it is or is it not? Let's see in this tutorial. It's pretty much the home screen of the application, nothing harder for you to understand. So nothing hard for you to not understand. So as you can see here, you have the Live Earth, which is pretty much some webcam videos, but it doesn't work. They're directly from YouTube, but it doesn't. None of them works. So I've tested every one of them. None of them load. Some of them being deleted. So I would recommend doing clicking on that option. You have the category section, which pretty much shows you. So for example, it will just show you some webcams and some video location, but most of them, they do not work. If you do tap on them, they just will say video is unavailable. And if you do tap on street view, some of them does load and give you a view of the street, but overall it doesn't work. So the street view option does work for some location, it may load, and for the 7 wonders, it will pretty much, as you can see here, it will just say some popular locations around the world. Nothing much more than just showing some pictures of these locations, and that's it. So the rest of the application is trash. Nothing else works. The webcam doesn't load. The 4K option camera here doesn't work. So the rest of the application, as you can see here, doesn't work, guys. But the world tour option doesn't work either. It will, if you do tap on it, you will get options like explore European and so forth. But these are pretty much 360 pictures of the location. So if you do want to go through that, you can go ahead. But the webcam is the only thing that pretty much doesn't work. The rest of the street view and anything like this here does work. So if you want to go through that, you can go ahead and use it. But that's really pretty much it for the application. And yeah, that's it. Stay tuned.